Welcome to the all-new Mockup module in Copilot4DevOps v7, rebuilt for speed, clarity, and complete creative control. Let's walk through what's new and how it transforms your design workflow. We've introduced a smoother, faster way to generate mockup pages. Whether you want only the first page, the full set, or prefer to build step-by-step mockup, the new flow adapts to your workflow. You can use a single work item or a full query of work items as your reference. And you can even upload your own theme files or UI files to create a fully customized mockup. Simply select your theme file and upload it. Simply describe the mockup you want to create, refine it with the rewrite prompt, and generate. With responsive loaders and skeleton previews, you get instant visual feedback that keeps you moving. And once your ideas start flowing, keeping track of them becomes very much essential. Mockup History gives you full access to everything you've created. Revisit earlier concepts, compare iterations, and pick up an older idea right where you left off. Your entire creative journey is neatly organized here on the left-hand side, and when you're ready to refine those ideas even further, your mockups now respond directly to you. Each mockup now features its own intelligent, context-aware chat. Want to shift a layout, tweak colors, adjust text, or add components? Just describe the change. The mockup evolves in real time, guided by your prompts. You can click on Edit Text, select the text you would like to make changes to, and you can make changes in real time. Want to edit a specific component? Click on Edit Component button, select the component you are interested in, and enter in your prompt. For those final polish moments, we've made hands-on editing clearer and more precise. With dedicated edit tools, you can refine and fine-tune exactly what you need. Select individual components for precise visual adjustments or edit text right inside the mockup itself, both with real-time updates. Of course, as your designs evolve, managing versions becomes crucial. We have introduced version management, lets you explore fearlessly, switch between versions, restore older ones, or branch from a previous design to try new directions, all without losing your history. And when everything looks just right, sharing your work has never been more structured. You can publish your mockup into an actual work item. Each work item now supports one-to-one mockup publishing. To publish, new work item. Select the work item type to be mockup and publish. By linking a single mockup to a single requirement, your documentation stays clean, consistent, and effortlessly traceable. The mockup work item will contain the HTML attachment of the mockup as well, which is user interactive and can be shared with your stakeholders. With each mockup page, you can not only open up the mockup in a new up for full viewing experience, but you can also save it as an image file and HTML file. Once the mockup gets generated based on the prompt, it will one or more mockup pages. The suggested new mockup pages are over on the right-hand side. You can simply click into any one of these suggestions, and Copilot4DevOps will start working on that specific mockup page. While the new mockup page is getting created, you can go back to your original mockup page, keep on making changes to it, while the new mockup page is generated in the background. Once your additional mockup pages finishes generating, it provides you with a feedback with a check mark. You can open up the new mockup page and make changes to it. Each mockup that gets generated within Copilot4DevOps can be user interactive, so you can click around and check for different components within the mockup. From generation to refinement to final delivery, every part of the mockup experience is now more intuitive, more flexible, and more powerful than ever. Copilot4DevOps, because designing better should feel effortless.